So good morning, class 6 children. After completing our flip teaching, now we'll continue with our revision of mock paper. So this is a mock paper of test cycle 2 in front of you. So let's start with it. So first of all, children, MCQs 20 marks, that's not given. We are starting with the OTBA plus case study. Okay, so section B OTBA is there, 20 marks plus case study. That first question is guess who I am. Kindly raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, Parnika, first answer. I am an object which emits their own light.
Ma'am, I am an object which emit light on their own is luminous objects.
Luminous objects. Yes, Aditya Prohit. Second is I am a gas which condenses to form clouds. I am a gas which condenses to form clouds. Anybody else who know the answer for the question number 2? बताओ क्या condense होता है? Which get condensed? Yes, Parnika, to form clouds.
Ma'am, water get condensed into vapor.
Water vapors. Water vapor condense into water to form the clouds. So water vapor are in the gaseous form. So that's why it is written that I am a gas which condense to form clouds. Number C. But bar magnet is which type of magnet? Bar magnet is a which type of magnet? Tell me, you had read the different types of magnets. It's a rectangular magnet, children. The shape of a bar magnet is rectangular. D. I am a material which prevent shock. My first letter starts from I. Yes.
Insulator.
Insulator.
Ma'am, insulator.
Okay, fine. So I prevent from the shock and my first letter starts with the I. So it is insulator. Next. Complete the following web chart. 3 states of water found in the nature. Yes, Aditya Prohit. Vedic, switch on your camera. Rest also can switch on the cameras. Dravya.
Ma'am, solid form, water, liquid form and gas form.
बेटा आपसे 3 forms of water पूछी है. Water. You have to give the 3 states of water.
Ma'am, ice, water and water
Yes,
vapor.
it is ice, water and water vapors. Number 3. Complete the following sentences. To form shadow, we must need. So 3 things are required for it. Rest also can raise hand other than Parnika and this and Puneet. Yes, Vedic. What things are required for the shadow? To form shadow, we must need. Tell me what we need. For shadow to
Ma'am,
form.
can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, light, opaque object and surface.
Beta, speak politely. आराम से बोलिए. Dravya Jain, you also can give the answer. Dravya, give the answer.
Ma'am, we must need light or a opaque object to make shadow.
3 things are required, children. 3 things are. First is a source of
Ma'am,
light.
surface.
Surface nahi, screen. Screen is required.
Okay.
First is a source of light. Second is a opaque object. And third is the screen. These 3 things are required. Okay. Can you repeat the answer, Dravya Jain? Repeat the answer.
Ma'am, we must need a source of light and
Yes.
opaque object
Yes.
and screen.
Yes, 3 things are required. Good. Next is open well is fed by.
Ma'am, can I tell Arush?
Ma'am, can I tell Parnika?
Open well is fed by.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, open well is fed by groundwater.
Yes, open well is fed by a groundwater. Next, Electric cell generates electricity from stored. Electric cell, you know, electric cell, how it generate the electricity, which is stored. Yes, tell in what form the electricity is stored.
chemicals.
Yes, which is stored in the form of chemicals. You know, in electric cell, the energy is stored in the form of chemical.
Chemical.
Okay, the energy is stored in the form of. Okay, read question number 4. Read the following case study and answer the accordingly. Ria performs an activity where a labeled bar magnet is suspended using a thread. She brought another bar magnet where the poles are unmarked. As she took it near the north pole of the suspended bar magnet, she noticed that it moved away. So we need to give the answer on the basis of these questions. Give reason. First is, which pole of the magnet was held closer to the suspended magnet? What is the reason behind this action of the magnets? So children, you need to give the answer for this, as it's very easy, that easily we had seen into the diagram. So what will happen? Which pole of the magnet is, yes, Aditya Purohit. Yes, which pole is,
North.
what is the reason behind this action of magnets?
Ma'am, because the same side can't attach with each other.
They
The
repel each
different
other. They repel each other. Yes, next. If Sneha changes the pole of unmarked magnet, then in that case, will the result be same? Now what she has done? No.
It will attract.
Yes, Vedic. Now what will happen if she changes the pole of the unmarked magnet? Then it will attract.
Attract.
Briefly state 3 properties of magnet. Kindly raise your hand, children. You have to tell the 3 properties of magnet. Yes, Madhav Kara. What are the 3 properties of magnet? Any 3 properties of magnet you know about the magnet? Yes, Dravya.
Ma'am, on hoot.
Bolo, yes, speak, Madhav.
Ma'am, on heating it, there.
Unmute. Yes, now speak. Dravya, you can give the answer, beta. Dravya Jain. Or Vedic, you may give the answer. What are the basic properties of magnet?
Ma'am, it attracts to iron, cobalt, or nickel. It loses property if it get heated,
Yes.
dropped from a height, or broken.
Yes. Okay.
It will attract if there are opposite pole, and it will repel if there are same pole.
Very good. Yes, Parnika, give the answer of the same question. C part. Give the answer for C part.
If there are same pole, it's repel, and if there are opposite poles, they attract.
But
And
you have to speak that the poles of magnet, same poles of the magnet, only poles. Poles किसके होंगे? ये भी तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा ना. Poles of the magnet, they will attract, and same pole of the magnet, they will repel each other.
repel.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question number D part. Dash is an example of natural magnet. Dash is an example of a natural magnet. So what is the example of natural magnet? Yes, tell.
Ma'am, magnetite.
Magnetite is an example of, or one more word you have heard, that is a lodestone. Okay. Next, very short answer type questions. First question is difference between condensation and evaporation. So this is very easy, children. Evaporation and condensation. May I get the answer? Kindly raise hand. Who know the answer? I want the hands to be raised. Give the answer of this question. Difference between evaporation and condensation. Okay, Kashvi, give the answer. You have raised hand.
Yes, ma'am. The difference between evaporation and condensation is evaporation is the method from which the water changes into water vapor, and condensation is the process from which water vapor changes into water.
Okay. But only one difference of definition you have given. Can you give me another difference? Anyone can give me another difference? The water gets evaporated itself. Okay. And condensation is condensation where it takes place. The water vapor gets cooled down into the atmosphere. So that is to form the clouds. So these are the examples of evaporation and condensation. Okay. Next, B part. Kindly raise your hand. Moon is a non-luminous object, but still provide light. Moonlight at night. So yes, Sauravi.
Ma'am, because moon reflects the light of the sun.
Okay, so moon does not has its own light, it reflects the light of sun. Yes, Arav Bhaskar, next question. C part, why testers do not have plastic tips but plastic holders? Why it is so explained?
Ma'am, can I?
Oh,
Yes, Arav.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, anybody else? Yes, Dravya Jain, you can give the answer. Dravya Jain.
ma'am, can you hear my voice?
Yes, yes, speak. Speak, Arav.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm saying that because
Why testers do not have plastic tip but the plastic holders?
Can I answer?
But other can give. You had just given Dravya Jain, Vadik. Yes, Kashvi, give.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, testers do not have plastic tips but plastic holders. Ma'am, because tester is used to see if the electrical appliance is working or not. Ma'am, if we will put the plastic tips of tester, then it will not catch the current, and we
Yes, so
will not able to
testers.
get.
Okay, fine, it is. So testers are here to check whether the current is flowing in the circuit or not. That's why the tip is not made up of a plastic and handle is made up of the plastic because plastic is an insulator. We do not want on the handle to the electric current to flow. That's why. Next, distinguish between the magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Also give one example of each. So you may raise hand who know the answer, magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Kindly raise hand who those who know the answer. With the examples you have to raise, you have to give. Yes, Parnika. Children, switch on your cameras. Aditya,
Magnetic
Purohit,
material.
Sauravi. Yes, speak.
Magnetic material. The material which attracts towards magnet is called magnetic material. For example of magnetic materials are cobalt, iron, and etc. Non-magnetic materials that the material which don't attract towards magnet are called non-magnetic material. For example of non-magnetic material are plastic, wood, etc.
Okay. So children, you have to put a dividing line between these two and then you have to differentiate. First write the definition and then one example of each. So children, I had shared the this mock paper in the class group. So next we'll discuss with, now we have discussed the questions of 2 marks. Now after that comes the question of 3 marks. Okay. Next, short answer type questions, 3 marks. A student covered a torch with a cellophane sheet to obtain red light. Using the red light, she obtained a shadow of an opaque object. She repeats this activity with a green and blue light. Will the color of the light will affect the shadow? So children, I want you to read this question very, very carefully. Then we'll discuss about the answers.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is the color of light will not.
Continue, Aditya Prohit. I think there is some problem. Dravya Jain, Arnav Singh Tomar. Don't know the answer?
Ma'am, I have told you.
But I'm able to hear only the half of the answer. Yeah, that was not
ma'am,
audible. No problem.
The color of okay, ma'am. The color of light will not.
Yes. Anybody else can give? Yes, Parnika. And I'm
Ma'am,
sorry.
can you hear?
But half of the answer I'm able to hear. I'm not able to get the complete answer. I don't know why this is
Your voice.
stopping again and again.
Ma'am, can I give?
Yes, give.
You does not change this color of shadow because an opaque object does not change the color of its shadow. It's only the color of black, and any type of color like green, red, and blue does not change the color of shadow.
Okay, very good. Yes, Sarvi, I want the same question. The answer of the same question.
What, ma'am?
Answer of the same question.
The answer is, ma'am, that
Yes, Kashvi. Dravya Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Give
Ma'am,
the
can
answer.
I?
Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the color of light will not affect the shadow because the shadow is in the dark form.
Yes. So the color is not kindly mute yourself. So the color is not going to be affected if either the student is using black, red, any of the color, blue color, if he or she is using, the shadow will be of black color only. Next, how can a soft iron become a magnet? Will that magnet work as a permanent magnet? Explain briefly. So this is a way, the complete activity, children, you have to explain here. Okay, how we can make iron a magnet. Does it work as a permanent magnet? So your answer will be no, it remains magnet for a very less time. Next question, in an experiment, student was provided by 3 objects: spectacles, iron key, and butter paper. Discuss about these objects in detail. So 3 things are there: spectacles. What type of objects these are? Spectacles, you can see through it. What type of object it has? What type of object? Spectacles. Specs पहनते हो आप? What type of objects these are? Tell me, Adit.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell first.
ma'am, opaque.
Are?
Ma'am,
Arav, is it opaque?
ma'am, no, only.
I am asking the lenses.
Ma'am, lens is transparent. Ma'am, I think that you are asking the frame.
Why I am asking for the frame? We are not using the frame. We are seeing through
Okay,
the
ma'am.
spectacles. That
Okay,
is
ma'am, okay.
transparent. So you have
Ma'am,
to
glass are
proper-
transparent. Ma'am, the lens of the
Because
spectacles is transparent.
Spectacles का मतलब ही आपका वो lenses है. Kindly mute
Okay,
yourself.
ma'am.
Spectacles means that is a transparent. Iron key. It is an opaque object, and butter paper, that is a translucent. Yes, translucent. And after that you have to give the properties of these. आप इन तीनों के बीच में difference लिखोगे. Means you will say that spectacles, through the spectacles light can pass. So that is a transparent. Iron key, that is made up of a metal. So the light can't pass through it. And next is butter paper. That is also a, what is a butter paper? That is translucent.
Sorry, ma'am.
Translucent, partial light pass through it. Light passes through partially, and few more examples you can give of transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Next, what do you mean by filament? And why bulb does not have defined terminals as electric cell have? So what do you mean by filament? Yes, Kashvi or Aditya Purohit, if you know the answer. What do you mean by filament?
Ma'am, filamental is a wire which convert the electricity power into the light power.
Okay, Arav. Same question.
Can I?
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Not able to hear. Yes, Kashvi, you speak.
Good.
Yes, tell Kashvi. So children, what is so Aditya Purohit has given the answer. Parnika, you may give. Rest of the children can also raise hand. Vedic, today no answer is given by you.
The thin wire that gives us off light is called the filament.
The thin wire which gives us light is known as filament. So why, one more question is there. One more question is there, that why the bulb does not have a defined terminals as electric cell. So you have to give the answer of yes. Arav, I'm not able to hear you, beta. So children, these up to here, these questions are of 3 marks. So you have to write according to 3 marks also. Okay. The rest we'll discuss tomorrow. After that, hot soft 2 marks. Then then 5 marks questions are there. Okay. So rest part we'll see. The remaining questions will be discussed later on. Okay.